What up? Welcome to another episode of Zero Drop Shoe Guy. Today we're going to unbox one of my favorite boots. Well, I've wanted this boot forever. It's the most expensive zero drop shoe I've ever bought. This is the Vivo Barefoot tracker. But it's not just any tracker. It's the snow tracker. This boot is completely waterproof. Yeah. Let's check this out. Alright, so this is the boot. I love Vivo. I think they're like the bad boys of barefoot shoes. They're just a little bit more expensive. They always look so cool. You don't see a lot of people wearing them. They're European. They're just cool shoes. And I just love the way they look. Everything they make just looks so cool. Look at these lugs, look at these big lugs. Very similar to the Zero Excursion. But the Zero Excursion is very cold. And this one is like a wool lining. I don't think it's real wool. It's like a fleece, probably. This is a size 45 men's in European sizes. Normally a size 12 in USA sizes. This boot is completely waterproof. It's not leather. Vivo Barefoot makes a lot of leather shoes. Not these ones. The most popular version of this boot is all leather. Let's get this up inside. There's the tongue, ribbed there. Winston loves the wrapping. These boots came and he's destroying it right now. V for Vivo Barefoot. And there. V right here. Read this if you feel like it. So these boots are zero drop. They are meant for the snow. They're made for keeping your feet really warm. I wouldn't go barefoot in these, so we're going to say they're not barefoot shoes. They're zero drop shoes. They have a wide toe box, no ankle support, or heel support. I mean, there is some ankle support in this one. The boot is completely lined in this warm insulated material. Can I get a better look? This insert has some sort of reflectix. You can kind of see through these little holes a shiny aluminum foil type material that's supposed to bounce the heat back up to your foot and the cold back down to the ground. So it's a nice touch. It's super thin. I'll probably keep these in just to keep my feet warm. This is only my second pair of Vivos. I don't buy that many just because they're a little pricey. These cost about, they are $240. It's hard to find them on sale. Recently I found them just under $200, but I would expect to pay $240 for these boots. Yeah, if you guys have a pair of these, or if you have any questions about these, please let me know. See these big lugs. Got some lugs going the other way over here on the heel. Have some armor all the way around the boot. I like that. It'll keep it safe. Yeah. Well, I'm going to wear these for a month, and then I'll do my review on them. You guys create a wonderful day.